Before I came here, I was skeptical about work, people, and the place, but the expectations were always high. Today, after my journey of internship, I can proudly say that the expectations were turned into realities with a lot of satisfaction and happiness.
Amazed by the love and dedication for the company by seniors made me realize that creativity is not just limited to department at Finmitra, but it's across the mindsets of people.
I got the chance to implement my years of theoretical learning in practical situations, and the successive joy that I felt was something I cannot put into words.
It gave us the opportunity to crack deals, build financial models for IPs, develop new products, and most importantly, to build futuristic relationships.
Daily reviews and challenges gave me the glimpse of my future. Starting from scratch, it gave me the ability to learn and train myself.
There was not a single moment which did not give me an opportunity to learn and experience something new always. Working directly with the CEO and the partners is not something I had expected before I came here.
Peer learning was the greatest takeaway for me here at Finmitra. It not only came from the seniors, but also from the business.
We all have our own individual strengths, but we work towards a common goal, that is vision and mission of a company. 5 different fingers have their own individual strengths, but when put together can create wonders.
It gave us an opportunity to face the roller coaster ride called the corporate life. Today, we now know how to meet the deadlines, be always ready with plan B, and of course, take cross-functional responsibilities.
We had to multitask to meet parallel deadlines and got tremendous satisfaction after a successful project.
This space is not limited to a number of people who look very serious.
But it's a pool of talent where the analyst plays the guitar, the product developer makes caricatures, and the finance guy knows the sketch and save.
The researcher plays the best cricket around. The digital marketer knows how to dance. And the management trainee knows the art of animation. Everything under the same roof.
You might not realize you become a changed individual over time. You also learn how to be more patient and independent.
Know your values and the role in the firm. Always stand up for yourself. Explain yourself with courage and confidence. We made the difference we wanted to see in the world.